We all come from different countries, towns, cities, and villages. Let's practice asking and answering the question, where are you from?
Hi everyone. Nice to meet you all. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. I live in a small town in Texas.
Oh, you're from the United States. A small town in Texas sounds peaceful.
I'm from England. I live in an urban area, right in the center of London.
So you're from England, an urban area in London. That must be very busy and exciting.
I'm from Japan. I live in a quiet rural area near Kyoto.
Japan, a rural area near Kyoto that must be beautiful and calm.
I'm from China. I live in a big city, Shanghai.
Oh, you're from China, in the urban area of Shanghai, a huge city with so much energy.
I'm from Vietnam. I live in a small town in the countryside near Hue.
Vietnam, a small town near Hue. That sounds very warm and friendly.
Wow, we all come from different places, towns, urban areas, and rural areas.
Yes, even though we're from the United States, England, Japan, China, and Vietnam, we can all connect through English.